Moving an image in Google Docs can be really confusing if you are a beginner. In this video, you will learn these simple steps to freely move and position images exactly where you want them in your document. Let's start by looking at an image in a Google document. When you try to move it, you will notice it tends to stay in line with the adjacent text. This can be frustrating if you are not familiar with the settings. When you select an image, you will see a few settings appear below it. These small icons represent the text wrapping settings, which define how the image interacts with the text in your document. To move the image freely, you will want to choose any option except the first one. The first option is in line with text. This setting keeps the image aligned with the text, making it hard to move independently. The second option is wrap text. With this setting, you can move the image freely and the text will wrap around it. The third option is break text. This allows to move the image freely, but the text will be separated from the image. The behind text and in front of text options allow the image to be placed behind or in front of the text, respectively, and can also be moved freely. Depending on the setting you choose, you will see more customization options. For instance, with wrap text, you can adjust the margin distance, which controls the gap between the image and the text. You will also see options for move with text and fix position on page. Choosing move with text ensures the image moves with the adjacent text as you edit, keeping them together. Fix position on page keeps the image in a fixed spot regardless of text changes, which is great for decorative elements. For even more customization, click all image options in the text wrapping section. You can set margins for top, bottom, left, and right sides of the image. There's also a drop-down menu that lets you choose whether the text wraps from both edges or just one side. I usually choose right edge as it's more convenient for reading. You can see after selecting right only, the text isn't wrapping from the left side. And that's it. Now you know all the options you need to move images smoothly in Google Docs. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.